The Future of Travel. Source, CNN. By visualgk.com. Travel has come a long way, since the age of Silk Road caravans, daunting sea voyages, and steam locomotives. And will continue to transform, in years to come. Concepts that feel plucked from sci-fi novels and films, are quickly making their way into mainstream travel, shaping every step of the journey. Sooner rather than later, we could be piloting passenger drones, or rocketing into Earth's orbit, to admire the world from the edge of space. From autonomous taxis to passenger drones, biometric immigration tunnels, instant translation, and hotels, here's a peek at what's coming down the runway. End of airport lines. Although controversial, biometric identification is quickly becoming the technology of choice at airports worldwide. For example, Dubai International Airport has introduced biometric smart gates, which use facial recognition to verify travelers' identities in as little as 5 seconds. Airlines are also adopting biometric identification. Emirates has created a biometric pathway at Dubai International Airport that enables passengers to pass through immigration and boarding without presenting their documents. Less lost luggage. Given the millions of mishandled checked bags every year, it's no wonder people are yearning for tech-savvy solutions to this common travel headache. Some are turning to devices like smart tags, Tile Pros and AirTags, to keep track of their belongings. Such products enable travelers to register and activate their luggage tag at home, then drop luggage at a self-service kiosk, and track it via an app. In the future, don't be surprised if we see automated baggage handling, AI-powered bag recognition programs, AI security scanning, and perhaps even an AI global database that links travelers with their bags. Next-level augmented reality. On a future trip to Europe, imagine exploring the Accademia Gallery in Florence, guided by a talking David sculpture, or embarking on a digital treasure hunt through the streets of Paris. Requiring only a phone and internet connection, augmented reality, or AR, can add another layer of intrigue to our travel experiences. And in terms of planning, virtual reality, or VR, may play a vital role in decision-making in the future. If travelers can explore a destination, hotel, restaurant, or excursion via VR first, they will likely have more confidence when making reservations. The rise of flying taxis. You've probably seen videos of passenger drones and eVTOL, that is, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that don't require a runway, taking over the internet. These futuristic aircraft tend to be electric, ultralight, and kitted out with autopilot software that makes it possible for everyday people to hop in the pilot seat after an orientation session and VR flight simulation. These aircraft offers many automated safety precautions, like a collision avoidance system, a triple redundant flight computer, and a ballistic parachute for the whole aircraft. Robotaxis gain momentum. While some taxi services head into the clouds, others will stay firmly on terra firma, but with some serious upgrades. Boston-based Motional, a joint venture between Hyundai and Aptiv, has seen some early success. Available to public passengers in Las Vegas, Motional provides autonomous robotaxis, via Lyft and Uber apps, that can drop passengers at popular destinations. A person is still present in the robotaxi at the moment, but the cars are expected to become fully driverless very soon. Net zero flights on the horizon. The future of travel is inextricably linked to climate change, a reality that led the International Civil Aviation Organization to announce a long-term goal to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2050. Thanks to a mix of emerging technologies, ranging from sustainable aviation fuel, to hydrogen-powered engines, to all-electric planes, it's certainly possible. US-based aviation aircraft is leading the way, providing a peek into the future with its sleek, all-electric 9-seater, Alice commuter plane. So far, over 300 Alice aircraft have been ordered, by various airlines. Eco-fabulous hotel stays. Like air travel, eco-conscious hotels are paving the way for more sustainable travel in the future. When Room 2 Chiswick opened in London, in 2021, it became the world's first whole-life net-zero hotel. In other words, the property has offset its entire carbon footprint, from production and construction, materials, maintenance, electricity, and so on. Say goodbye to language barriers. Wouldn't it be amazing to have deeper conversations with the people you meet while traveling? Suppose language barriers became a thing of the past. In that case, we could connect across cultures, work, and live abroad, and discover new business opportunities. The good news is that real-time translation is growing more sophisticated by the day. Google's Pixel Buds can either translate what's being said directly into your ear, or share a transcription. It has also been working on wearable eyeglasses that display translated text on the lenses, in real time. The space race rockets forward. We are well on our way to exploring the final frontier, with a flurry of space tourism initiatives, available now to the most affluent explorers. Virgin Galactic completed its first commercial flight, in June 2023, sending 4 humans to the edge of space and back. Blue Origin offers excursions past the Kármán line, that is, a boundary 62 miles above sea level, that marks the beginning of outer space. Meanwhile, SpaceX has successfully launched commercial orbits around the Earth, missions to the International Space Station, and plans to take an international crew on the first civilian mission around the Moon. Hyperloop coming down the pipeline. Elon Musk has been talking about Hyperloop technology, an ultra-high-speed transport system, in a low-pressure vacuum tube, for years. With Hyperloop, we could travel in pods, up to 760 miles per hour. In addition, it also has the potential to provide a cheaper, faster, safer, and more sustainable alternative to conventional mass transit. While thoroughly tested Hyperloop transit networks may still be years away, the China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation completed a few successful Hyperloop test runs in January 2023. In addition, Hart Hyperloop in the Netherlands demonstrated its technology at low speeds, and is now constructing a facility for high-speed testing. Please like, share and subscribe. visualgk.com